Hi, I'm Armani. Thanks for joining me for a look inside UCF's Master of Athletic Training program. Come on, let's go. Are you interested in a healthcare profession that helps physically active people perform at their best? This program is where you can turn your passion for medicine and human movement into a career. At UCF, you'll get the best of all worlds: face-to-face learning, hands-on lab experiences, active research, and an incredible range of clinical opportunities. Classes are small, so you'll get to know your professors and your classmates, and you'll move through the program together over 6 consecutive semesters, learning, practicing, and growing as a team. Coursework is centered around evidence-based practices. You'll learn using the latest technologies, and you'll develop the skills to deliver patient-focused care to physically active people like athletes, performing artists, and industrial workers. And here's the best part. You'll get plenty of hands-on experience through clinical practicum courses in settings where athletic trainers make a real impact. And because we're in Central Florida, your clinical experiences can take you just about anywhere. From the sidelines of a high school football game to the WWE Performance Center, the Kennedy Space Center, or professional teams like the Orlando Solar Bears, Orlando City Soccer Club, and Orlando Pride. And of course, the Big 12 with UCF Athletics. Our program meets all the standards set by CATE, the Commission of Accreditation of Athletic Training Education, and prepares you to excel on the Board of Certification exam. In fact, UCF students consistently exceed the national pass rates on this exam. With small class sizes and a cohort model, you'll build strong connections and a professional network that lasts long after graduation. So, if you're ready to make an impact, help people recover and perform at their best, and join a program that's committed to excellence, what are you waiting for? We can't wait to see you here at UCF. Charge on!